Want to build and sell AI-powered apps without coding experience? In this video, I'll show you how to use ChatGPT APIs to create, monetize, and deploy AI apps fast. Stick around, and I'll even share how to price and sell your app on the Play Store, App Store, and Gumroad. Let's dive in. Pick a high-demand AI app. Ask ChatGPT, suggest 5 AI-powered apps I can build and monetize in the content creation or business automation industries. Top picks: AI video caption generator, automate subtitles for YouTube and social media videos. AI image enhancer, improve low-quality images with AI. AI resume and cover letter creator, help job seekers instantly generate documents. Pro tip: pick an app that solves a real problem and has paying customers. Build the AI app with ChatGPT. You don't need expensive no-code tools. ChatGPT will guide you step by step. Web app: React plus Firebase plus OpenAI API. Ask ChatGPT, I want to build a React app that generates AI-powered video captions. Give me a step-by-step guide. Pro tip: use Windsurf Cascade to organize and debug AI-generated code effortlessly. Mobile app: React Native. Ask ChatGPT, give me a step-by-step guide to build a React Native app that generates AI voiceovers for videos. Pro tip: ChatGPT can generate complete code and debug errors for you. Just copy-paste and ask for fixes. Monetize your AI app. Now let's make money. Here are 4 ways to monetize your AI app. Freemium model: free basic features, charge for pro upgrades. Subscription plans: monthly/yearly payments, like ChatGPT Plus. One-time purchase: sell your desktop app on Gumroad or Paddle. In-app purchases: charge for AI-generated add-ons and mobile apps. Ask ChatGPT, generate scripts to implement pricing models in my app. Pro tip: add Google Play billing and Apple Pay for mobile payments. Deploy and sell your AI app. Now, let's launch your app and start earning. Web apps: host on Versal or Netlify for free. Use Google AdSense for extra revenue. Mobile apps: publish on Google Play Store, $25, and Apple App Store, $99 per year. Use Google Play billing and Apple Pay for subscriptions. Desktop apps: sell on Gumroad, Paddle, or FastSpring. Package Python apps with Py installer. Pro tip: list your app on Product Hunt and Indie Hackers to get early users. And that's how you build, monetize, and sell AI-powered apps using ChatGPT APIs. Which AI app are you going to build? Comment below. Like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more AI business strategies. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.